Well, Oklahoma's aviation expertise is helping those around the world. The latest example, a project to make the skies over Afghanistan safer. Russ Joel introduces us to some young men who traveled halfway around the world to learn about more than aviation.
The decoder chip will convert the binary information.
A trip to Bill Lair's classroom at Metro Tech may seem pretty daunting to most people. His lessons are highly technical, the tests very scientific, and the writing on the wall, well, isn't so obvious.
When we're looking at our encoder-decoder circuit, we need to remember that what we're primarily doing is taking a binary input signal and we're converting that to an output signal that we can see as a decimal number.
Mr. Lair teaches electronics here at Metro Tech in Oklahoma City, and while his daily lessons focus on the minute details of an integrated circuit, the students in his class are hoping to take away something much bigger. Students like Salman Akwi.
Personally, I was looking for this training, looking for this opportunity, coming here and having this opportunity for 2 years.
Salman is just one of 11 students in Mr. Lair's class being trained by the FAA to operate an air traffic control radar, a skill they will eventually take back to their home country of Afghanistan.
The United States is giving the country of Afghanistan FAA radar, air traffic control radar, and these gentlemen are learning to be technicians to maintain that radar.
Pete Lee, the director of Metro Tech's aviation program, says that while his campus willingly accepted the task of training these students from the FAA, the challenges involved turned out to be a little more daunting than originally thought.
There were a lot of considerations, language, dietary, the customs of the country that we had to consider in making our proposal to the FAA.
I've never had a group of students who were more focused, more dedicated, and more driven by a desire to learn than these particular students have been.
Instructor Lair says that he was more than delighted to accept the challenge this course presented and was honored to make a contribution to the FAA's effort to rebuild a war-torn nation.